Yes, I just want to tell you the truth. I don't find that the real problem for Nigeria na the politicians. Yes, I don't agree. I don't look, I don't think, I don't sleep wake, I don't fancy at them. Ask me how. When we point the problem will be Nigerian problem, like to get power, security, to improve the educational sector, and every other things about infrastructure and industrialization. We come find and say, we get people where they rule us. People where they in charge of making decisions. People where they in charge of budget appropriation. Those people who put in charge, my brother, they don't fail us totally. Ask me how. Number one, people where you tell say, may they rule, may they govern, may they in charge. May they try to give the people power. Power as in electricity. Only they get 33 kVA line. Only they take full area transformer or street to put for the compound. Only they get big mechanical generator. What you go make they give you light? Now they say now waiting key Abakari just now the light waka go for Germany. Now today they break. They just they break. Oh, they not just they break, my brother. This light matter, they don't want time. Light they saloon man go work. The one way they do tailor go see lights, they do things. Many also in they will be say if normal power day, it go to help people. Everybody they do pure water. Many small industries and enterprises, small entrepreneurs, if better light they go also there also. All those small Merrybet office, small barber shop, small salon, hairdressing salon, every other small micro businesses that they thrive on power. If person they buy generator, they own generator, they work hard. Even the generator noise itself is deafening, is disturbing. That's number one. Number two, I know if you talk about finish, because I not make to talk to. Number two, this issue of security. Security. Everything where let people know they call Nigeria can't do business now because they feel insecure. You put camera for road to they watch the street, they go tifa. If you do bridge, you put aluminium rail, make people they tell they go and pass. They go break and come out, go helam. Insecurity. So that they will rob bank. Insecurity. Ask me why. Only one politician, 2 mopo go escort your pikin go airport, the boy on. 2 go follow the girl on go hostel. 2 go follow your wife go main market. 2 go follow you go office. 2 go follow you your company people stand. 2 go there your compound gate. How many mopo be that? How many go call the shaky point? How many go call the street? How many go there for barrack? If follow you one politician, carry mopo follow body. That's why Ilos not there now. No, they say Ilos now. The devil package Ilos. Ilos what would they look through if they say that these are the carry workers go sites or swamp. They don't package Ilos now. Ilos now about 25-30 million. Even some latest model now. If you see that they be like Range Rover, they don't package them. Why? Because our politicians, they carry one for front, carry one for back, put for mopo. How they go take get security for this time where we say the men where they in charge of the government, they don't seize all the security. They seize all the security. Only one politician. Okay, now let's say something quickly. Before when they grow up as a young man for this Nigeria, people where they get better salary, oil company people, doctors, lawyers, teachers, they on salary. Civil servants, they on salary. When they work like that, they'll come make provision for them to get allowance to train their pikin go school, allowance to buy car, allowance to be house at different stages. Now the politicians where they go take the position without education, because now if you go check out, the most easiest position to attain in Nigeria is to become a politician. No requirements. So tell even the Oga Patapata for up, he send an affidavit to use. He not graduate for any course, he not know anything, and they make a president. They in charge of everybody with no book. They tell me why people not go verse. And I ain't in charge of petroleum, he not go chemical engineering course. He don't know anything about fuel, he don't know anything about petrol, he don't know anything about crude oil, how they take drill them, how they market, he don't read the economics, how they take the sell them. I go take control. Now let me tell you something. If teacher here say, if somebody where they find work, yesterday they pay teachers 350,000 naira, I know they shake. My brother, you will see many people apply for the job. As I talk to you, so I'll be economics educationist. I can teach economics for secondary school and even polytechnic. Me, I can teach them. But wait till they go, let me go there. When I say the ones where they know they pay their salary. Look their life, you see their trouser. They cannot wear fine shirt, fine trouser. They cannot swag bada wear. They cannot take care of themselves because they teach children, politicians, not they pay their salary. Why I go join police? Where we say now let the organ for police now they get money, especially during election. They will carry bag of money give IG, bag of money give a DPO, bag of money give commissioner of police, bag of money. Then tell me why the Jago they not go rig the election, carry ballot box still wrong. No, tell me why. So I just they talk the truth. The ones where you send go House of Assembly, Senate rep, see how much they pay them. What if it really their work? They are not professionals. They are not trained. They just campaign, get the vote, waka go there, they shop money. For abroad, they cannot. You cannot tell me say, police. Oh, you say hello. Let me call the honorable. Who's honorable? Who's honorable? They call you say, let me call the chief of police. Who give you that level? Nobody give you that level because everybody is doing their job. To fight for appointment, as you get them, you don't talk to honorable. How much do they pay ministers, commissioners, legislators? Nothing that they do. Nothing that they do. Now to go sitting, quarrel, argue, get one another, they throw share. See how much they pay them. Why everybody not go struggle to be politician? I know people who don't leave oil sector. Many go join politics. Many of them leave oil sector, go join police. Go join politics. Why? Now those people get small money to talk, say area. Mona gather, I want to on my mind. As they gather, you go tell them say I want to go for House of Assembly. They say, you go waste cola, carry drinks, come. They go like, hey, now you we know, now you we know. I never see another oga way pass this oga. Good. As they do the meeting, the people go tell them, when you go, we need school, we need good road, we need water for so place. Now so, once he enter the office, finish successfully, after he don't print poster, go rally campaign, they don't rig the election for him. He go church, he go do Thanksgiving, he go tell pastor to see and say one support church project. Pastor go start to the waka pursue him again. The people when he consult now, hello. At the common area today, at the visit area to area, where carry drink as more money cola go salute, where campaign vote for around the race rig election. Those are the people now call the pursue one. You know they call them again. Why? Now, as a councillor, if they follow fellow councillors, they go meeting. As a local government chairman, that's also the local government chairman meeting, if they go. As a governor, if they go governors forum. As a legislator, if they go Abuja Padan. As a senator, here senators now they move now. Now, I don't talk to Dundee for AI. Now call the final. Their license office where they put for town, different location, they don't they consider they cost anybody. If they ever contact self, my brother, you go enter queue tire. You not go see any of them. Call their line, that line where they tell they call now since where they tell us they won't call campaign. So now that's the number you call tire, nobody pick again. They don't busy leave us. Now politician be the problem. Small girl and small boy go they play love, they go, they think how they'll take marry. Small body also is small also. The day where politician meet his girlfriend, now that day girlfriend tell her say, bros, your way not clear. One politician go carry you one evening, give you 300,000. Why you not go run with your boyfriend? Okay, you go school. You will go school now. Just message your politician, they send you up and down. He give you 300,000, give you appointment. Why you go use your certificate, go find work again? What's the need? What is the need? So everybody now that they render us useless. Somebody if he go school finish, read chemical engineering, inside they do chemical engineering business. Now inside special advisor to commissioner about this, you go they run follow. Because your appointment pay and pass any other thing. Let's be sincere. Special advisor to governor, he get money as salary. Minister get money as salary. Impress and everything. Allocation of motor, different things. Even if they say contract, to give contract yourself, they get interest. So there's their own company, they say they do the contract. How you not go tell me say one person go do another to leave politics? So see, I know politicians, pastors the way they politics now. Vice president, politician, deputy governor, politician, house of remember a pastor the way they inside I know. They don't leave ministry safe. Leave ministry. I know many leave oil company, go join politics. If you want me to call the name, I'll call some for you for inside that set here. One, Yemi Emiko, na Chevron star before. Wive, na pastor before. Reverend Wive, na pastor before. In the house of rep. I dey tell you now. I go still tell you, our deputy governor, na deacon. Our vice president, na pastor before. How many I go dey count? How many I go count for now? He get one of my friend for Edo State, Clem Agba, na Chevron star, big boy. He leave everything. He enter Edo State police from now, na minister. I just dey tell you, may you understand why. Not be their fault. My brother who not like better thing. Once you notice say na there they pay, everybody drift to that area. You want to be teacher, they don't pay you salary. You want to be doctor, where they don't pay you better money. Even the hospital you they work, say a problem. Somebody go say, I have passion for my job. They go kill your interest. Because the hospital if you want work, so nothing to take work. You they work for lab, they bring sample of specimen, come. You carry the specimen, put for package, send to another country, wait results. What do you call work inside? So what they suggest now, my brother, my sister, make every politician they work out by himself. Because for you to feed 10 mopo or 12 mopo, even 5 mopo, they fuel in-laws every day. Give the accommodation, not be small thing. For you to dey take care of how many boys wey dey follow you say na aid, not be small thing. The senators, the House of Rep people, una money una they receive too big money. When they need to train 30 children to take care of full community. Now they receive every month. Why una not go thief? All on they go abroad. All on they do everything. Any motor before I reckon order the new model. So to now reject innocent motor. Nigeria my way make motor Nigeria. So tell me how many Nigeria go take prosper. My brother, I know I make a two talk full ground, but if we continue to look the matter like this, I will tell you every area. Even Yahoo boys, the politicians, where they ask me why. Yahoo boys realize say other countries or abroad, Europe, America, that they hear say politicians from Nigeria they steal money where they thief contract money, that they do enlargement of contract, padding of budget, many of things. Now those kind of information that they send go abroad say, oh boy, some money they thief they with us, so we want you to be beneficiary. When you be beneficiary, so you go pay tax, you go pay COT, you go pay what do they call them, VAT. So that's all, my brother. Now that thing make them. Then they join the hustle. The Yahoo boys they pass they join the hustling to make sure say yes. The rumor of say we be thief, they use as advantage to they take money for abroad. Now make abroad people they cooperate with them. So now you they pursue Yahoo boys. Now the money will not able export. Now Yahoo boys they will take come back. Another